host, Duza Cold Bear.
Welcome to the Late Show. Welcome in here, out there, and to all the ships at sea. I'm your host, Duza Cold Bear. So, folks, as you may know, one job prerequisite for getting the Late Show hosting gig is an endless curiosity, particularly about science. And while I have that, I also have difficulty saying some of the larger scientific words, which is why when the need arises, instead of twisting my tongue over 15-syllable Latin phrasing, I get one of the staff members to take the reins in a reworked regular segment we've been doing for years that we're now calling The Sounds of Science.
The Sound of Science.
Hello, science, my friend.
I don't get it. Why are we doing this?
The Sounds of Science is another Late Show staple that we've stolen.
Yes, but we have a science bit. It's called Science Saturday. Why are we doing this instead of that?
Well, for one, Robin, it's not Saturday. The Late Show runs Monday through Thursday. And B, as I said, it's another Late Show staple comedy piece that we've stolen.
But Science Saturday isn't a comedy piece.
Yeah, neither is this, apparently.
Fine. In 2015, a group of researchers published a paper on the ARXIV preprint service that was later published in the Journal of Infometrics called, quote, Attention Decay in Science, end quote. Apparently, the publish or perish of academia has resulted in an exponential growth in the number of scientific papers, and that's made it incredibly difficult for researchers to keep track of work relevant to their own fields, resulting in a sort of science amnesia effect. In other words, a scientific study found that there were too many scientific studies. I'd tell you more about this, but I didn't have time to finish the paper. Yuck, yuck, yuck. Yeah, I don't get it. That one's gone right over my head, I think. I don't get it. And that's this issue of Science Saturday on a Tuesday.
Yeah! Stick around, folks. Coming up, we've got more Late Show with Duza Cold Bear, Monday through Thursday each week. Next up, I finally get a face-to-face with my formidable opponent, Azud Rayab. And finally, a special performance by a very special musical guest.
That's my I don't get it noise. Have you heard that in a while? No, because I've been getting it up until this. Can I just say honestly that I sort of missed the gulag? There was a routine and it made sense. Ooh.